So today is going to be Costco day. So I figured today we're gonna take the time to clean our refrigerator and freezer. So come along for the journey. We made it back from Costco. Our groceries on the table. Before we start on this monster job, we're gonna put our hair up.
Hi, YouTube.
Get started on the refrigerator. I have this thing, I'm gonna fill it up with water and we're gonna wash the fruit that we just bought so that it washes, and then after it washes, we're gonna dry it out before we put it in airtight containers. Wash.
Instagram.
It's
See you
YouTube.
later.
So we washed the fruit and now it's laying out to dry. And now when you do that, to put it in the airtight containers, it might not even last. This kid is like tearing them up. So now we started unloading the refrigerator. So the baby now woke up from his nap. So what I'm gonna have to do is put away all the clean ones, clean little dishes that I now have dried off and everything, back in the refrigerator because I don't want all this food to stay out. And then we'll do the second half of the refrigerator either tonight or when the baby goes back for his second nap. Okay, you guys, as you know, I only did the top half. Then I was gonna put this one away and I messed up. And I was gonna try a different size like this, and I was gonna put the drawer back, but then I noticed the drawer one is over here and it needs to go over here. So I gotta do this all over again. I feel like I'm really loving the different size of this because then all our Tupperware doesn't get lost under here, which it typically does. So the leftovers will be up here and we can see them better. Our meat drawer goes in here, which I actually hate this one, but Seth doesn't want to get rid of it. So whatever, it's there. And then tomorrow or whenever I get the next chance, I will clean this side. We still gotta clean this sucker and then the freezer. And then that is our deep clean for our refrigerator. This is how it's looking so far. And I really actually dig it. I love when it's clean. I'm gonna put this big glass thing in there. When we first bought the house and we cleaned the refrigerator, because the house came with the refrigerator, thank God, because I didn't want to buy it. Well, we didn't want to buy a new one. I mean, we're cost saving, you know, we just put a big down payment on this house. Anywho, well, I got to take it out, but it's so hard and tricky, and it's a big piece of glass, so be careful. Now it's all in, and look how clean it looks. It looks like it doesn't have a thing, but it does have a thing. So tomorrow, I'm gonna put away the rest of the food for tonight. This is how it's looking. Let me give you another pic, hold on. Ending the night, and this is how day one is looking with the refrigerator. Looks so much cleaner. I actually really like how clean it's looking. The doors. And then I haven't put all the produce away because the produce typically goes over here, but it's still drying. So our produce is still drying. I like to have it all the way dry before I put it in airtight containers. And as you can see, little Luke was already tearing up the strawberries and the grapes. We are working with our produce area. Yeah, looking like need to throw some stuff out too. So let's get to working. So this is everything that I took out of that section. A kid Band-Aid, come on now, didn't need that in there. So I'm gonna go through this, take out all the bad stuff, and then go from there. Now the area between that tub that I just took out has a little bit of stuff in there, but I don't want to leave soap in there. So what I'm going to do is use my Norwex Enviro cloth and to get in there. With the bottom. So I even peeled the potatoes. Yes, I'm crazy, but I feel, oh yeah, carrots. Looks so much nicer now. So this is how we're ending. It looks so good. I'll show you the top of the refrigerator. And then I moved the vegetables out of here and put them down there. And then I'm actually really liking this section still. I have the tortillas back there. And this is how it looks from back here. The doors aren't so cute, but it is what it is. Day 3 of deep cleaning the refrigerator and freezer. Let me tell you, these cleanups, you think they're gonna be short? They ain't that short, okay? I'm kind of whispering because babies are both sleeping. I try typically not to work while they're awake, but it's so hard with the baby. So let's be real. I cleared counter space because now we're doing the freezer. So let's get to work. Here's how we're looking. Kind of embarrassing. It is pretty bad. So let's get to work. All right, so this is frozen, not that. This. Frozen packs, I don't know if I'm gonna keep. Then we have this whole lineup. Let's organize. Freezer is done and it's way more organized. So this is like the vegetables, then the fries and the garlic naan. This is all meat, and then this is kind of like bread because we always look for the bread. Our blueberry waffles, which we had 2, so then we combine them, makes life easier. Breast milk for the baby, and then all the like ice cream on this side. But I love how it's looking. It's the first time that it's really been organized since we bought this place, which has been a year now. Last thing to do is the outside of this refrigerator. It's all done. I guess I could get like the stainless cleaner, but I don't know if I want to. But this is how it looks all done. We're inside. Door 1. Door 2. Door 3. Yeah, the strawberries from the other day are already gone. Crazy, huh? Let's fix that up. Oh, so pretty. It fills my heart.
cute. Now they all have a room.
Yeah, they all have a space. You can open the other parts too.
Why?
Because you can see what mommy did.
Wow. Wow.
It looks so cute. Thank you, Bobo.